The Reedle Shots microneedling in a bottle by VT Cosmetics are a popular selection of K-beauty products that are currently trending all over the internet. Now, if you're new to Reedle Shot, this isn't your ordinary skincare product. If you have heard of microneedling before, it is similar to that. A unique blend of innovative technology and powerful ingredients that can help to transform your skin. The Reedle Shot comes in 3 varieties: the Reedle Shot 100, the Reedle Shot 300, and the Reedle Shot 700. And in this video, we will be covering topics on the Reedle Shots such as how and when to use each type of Reedle Shot, texture of the Reedle Shots, what the Reedle Shots do, and who needs to start a Reedle Shot routine. After washing your face with a cleanser, pat your skin dry. Dispense an appropriate amount of the Reedle Shot of your choice. Massage the essence gently and pat it into your skin gently to allow full absorption. Next, you can apply a serum or you can skip to a moisturizer instead. When to use each Reedle Shots? The Reedle Shot is a type of exfoliator that comes in 3 levels: the Reedle Shot 100, 300, and 700. The Reedle Shot 100 has the least amount of ingredient concentration and can be used daily. The Reedle Shot 300 has a higher amount of ingredient strength and should be used 3 times a week, keeping 1 day of gap between each usage. The Reedle Shot 700 has the highest amount of ingredient concentration and should not be used more than 1 week. It is recommended that you only apply it in your nighttime routine. And additionally, it is recommended that you follow up with the sunscreen during the daytime. What does each of the Reedle Shot actually do? The Reedle Shot 100 is ideal for daily exfoliation and improves the absorption of other skincare products. It is ideal for anyone with dull, uneven skin tone and those who want to enhance the effectiveness of the other skincare routine. In short, it is beginner friendly. Now, the VT Cosmetics Reedle Shot 300. The Reedle Shot 300 also offers exfoliation, improves absorption, and skin rejuvenation. It contains a higher concentration of active ingredients compared to the 100 Reedle Shot. The Reedle Shot 300 should be used only 3 times a week, keeping a day gap in between usages. It is ideal for anyone with more advanced skin concerns like fine lines, wrinkles, and acne scars. The VT Cosmetics Reedle Shot 700. The Reedle Shot 700 has the highest amount of active ingredients among the Reedle Shot collection. It provides intense exfoliation, improves absorption, and significant skin rejuvenation. The Reedle Shot 700 is ideal for anyone with severe skin concerns such as deep wrinkles or extensive sun damage. So that's about it. We will be posting the product link in the description below, so do check them out. And also, if you like this video and you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video.